Hi everybody, today we have a really fun video planned. We're gonna do races. Racing against each other, we have Nia, Celebration Nia, and Celebration Percy. We have Diesel and Bruno, Hero and Color Changing Thomas, Color Changing Kana and Frederico, Gordon and Young Bao, Riff and Jiff, Carly and Sandy, and Celebration Thomas and Verona. Let's see who wins. This is the track everyone's gonna be racing on. Inspired for Christmas. First up, we have Celebration Nia versus Celebration Percy. On your marks, get set, go! Whoa, I don't even know who won. Our winner was Percy, Celebration Percy. Next up, we have Bruno versus Diesel. On your marks, get set, go! Oh, and Bruno's disqualified. Great job, Brody. And our winner was Diesel. Next up, we have Color Changing Thomas versus Hero. On your marks, get set, go! Oh my gosh, our winner was Color Changing Thomas. Color Changing Thomas was our winner. Next up, we have Color Changing Kana versus Frederico. On your marks, get set, go! Oh, Frederico fell off the track.
I won.
And our winner's Color Changing Kana. Next up, we have Gordon versus Young Bao. On your marks, get set, go! Oh, and we have a winner, Gordon!
Yeah,
And our winner was Gordon. Next up, we have Riff and Jiff. On your marks, get set, go! Oh, and our winner was... Our winner was Riff. Up next, we have Carly versus Sandy. On your marks, get set, go! Our winner was Carly. Our winner was Carly. Up next, we have Celebration Thomas versus Verona. On your marks, get set, go! Our winner was Thomas.
yeah.
Celebration Thomas was our winner. Okay, now we're starting our quarterfinal races. We have Celebration Percy versus Diesel. On your marks, get set, go! Oh, our winner was Diesel!
Yeah.
Diesel's our winner. Next up, we have Color Changing Thomas versus Color Changing Kana. On your marks, get set, go! Our winner was Color Changing Thomas! And our winner was Color Changing Thomas!
Yay!
Up next, we have Riff versus Gordon. On your marks, get set, go! Our winner was Riff! And our winner was Riff. Last for our quarterfinalists, we have Celebration Thomas versus Carly. On your marks, get set, go! Our winner was Carly. Our winner was Carly. For the start of our semifinal round, we have Diesel versus Color Changing Thomas. On your marks, get set, go! Our winner was Thomas. Our winner was Color Changing Thomas. Last for our semifinal round is Riff versus Carly. On your marks, get set, go! Oh my gosh, our winner was Carly! And our winner was Carly. For our final round, we have Color Changing Thomas versus Carly. On your marks, get set, go! Our winner's Carly! The winner of our races today is Carly. She gets to take home the awesome Thomas and Friends trophy. Woo! Thank you for watching our video today. Remember to like and subscribe if you want to see more of our content. Have a great day. Bye.